Welcome to the VoxSMS Quick Start Guide, presented by VoxTelesis. This video is part 4 in a series of videos on VoxSMS. In this video, we'll be presenting the Canned Responses feature in the VoxSMS web application. From the dashboard, navigate to Canned Responses. Canned responses are used for common replies to inquiries such as hours, frequently asked questions, and more. To create a canned response, select Add New Response. Enter a friendly name, then fill out the message body. You can also optionally enter an auto reply that will respond to a keyword, which can be the exact word or even an exact phrase. The friendly name is used to identify your canned response. Make sure to make your friendly name memorable, especially if you have many canned responses configured. The message body is the actual text your contact will receive. Once you're done configuring your canned response, select Add Canned Response. You can also edit or delete your canned response by clicking on it. Then you're given the option to select either Edit Canned Response or Delete Response. Next, we'll navigate to the Conversations tab. From here, you can apply your canned response. Click on the arrow icon next to your text message. The canned response window will pop up. Click on your desired canned response. This will auto-populate the canned response in your text message bubble. Push the Shift and Enter keys to send the message. As an alternative, you can click on the paper airplane icon to send your text. Since we also configured our canned response to auto-reply, we can enter the keyword to test this capability. Once we enter the keyword, we'll receive the canned response we previously configured. Congratulations! You've now completed the canned response portion of VoxSMS. Our next video will demonstrate the drip campaign feature. Make sure to subscribe for more guides with VoxTelesis as we are continually adding new content.